Hi, this is Hadas from Canva and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I want to show you a really quick tip on how you can create the rolling credits like at the end of the movies within Canva using a free account and doing it with just a few clicks and 2 tricks on the way. Are you ready? Let's jump in. So I've opened up this 16 by 9 canvas and I've typed in a few credits, and now all I want to do is just take this text box and drag it to the bottom. I'm going to use a new animation that Canva has added a few months ago. I'm just going to go up here to animate and click on create an animation. Now what I want to do is hold the shift while I'm dragging so I can create a straight line. And then I'm just going to move upwards and I'm just going to scroll all the way from the bottom to the top. Now make sure that you're going to click it within the canvas and not outside of the black canvas. So I'm just going up. And oh no, my first problem is that I reached the end of my screen and I can't scroll any further, which means that my credits get stuck in the middle of the way. So what I want to show you are 2 tricks. The first one is I'm actually going to zoom out so I can have more space outside of my canvas, so I can just roll upstairs all the way until my text is absolutely gone. The second thing is that if I want my credits to start from a blank page, I don't want that director text to pop up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it all the way down, but then it's deleted. It doesn't show anymore. Now here's a simple trick for you to overcome the problem that we have that the text shows at the bottom, and if you drag it too much all the way down here, it just gets deleted. So what you want to do when we're working with text boxes is just go to the beginning and just hit the enter key a few times. So you create a few spaces, and then it's so easy to just place the text down here. It doesn't show anywhere. And then you can just customize the animation. Super simple. Now what you can do is on the left, you can set the movement style to steady and set the speed so it doesn't roll up too fast. So I'm just going to make it really slow as we can go. And then I'm just going to hit the done button. And now are you ready to see what happened? Ta-da! How simple was that? So I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss any video that I post. And if you want to learn more tricks just like this to create this effect, but in a much more sophisticated way, please follow my friend Roger Cole, the Canva Verified Expert. Here's the QR code. See you next time. Bye-bye.